He's the birdie of Walden. He's the best birdie ever. Yes, folks. Joining Spunky Josie's team with Squawk, Squig. This is bad, you guys. It's the original Squig in his cage. Coming up for a Bean Hat. It's so exciting! And again, it's so exciting! And here he is, folks, ready for Bean Hat. He likes it. Now, folks, this is his low bunk. That's his top bunk. He always sleeps at his top bunk. He's the best. But anyway, this is how we get ready if we go in for a showdown in baseball. There's a toothbrush right behind this sink. The toothbrush. And what we do, put it at Birdie's feet, put down the toothbrush, and then put him down the basement. And then we get them all right. And that's how we do it. We'll do it right now. Do it this. Whoa. Sometimes it does. Okay. Here we are, going through his house.
The lighting is not very good. Please, we will have very good lighting in 3 seconds. Okay, the good lighting is back up.
What's the light?
We're having winter troll. Never mind.
But anyway. So, you know when we made our video Squig vs. Badger time? Well, look at that. It's the chair. Oh, now all we have to do now is we just put them on there. And then we line our baggies on them. And we're all ready to go. I know, isn't it great? So this is our real bird. We make videos of him. Isn't he great? Now he's brushing his teeth. Okay, put him back. Warning, we will not have good lightning. Lighting.
Technical difficulties activated.
We will not have good lightning.
Here we go. Here's his cage. Here's how we get him on.
That's too hot. Oops, that's too hot. Hold on, baby. And there he is. He has an eye section. So please, don't laugh. Isn't he cute? That's the end of our video. Buy him now! Oh, he just shook his butt. Awesome!